Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2020 Honda Ridgeline and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillight. It's just your regular factory taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the tail light may have. Okay, so to start off the installation, apply Slip Solution to the taillight and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you want to align this section of the design to this top section here. So make sure as you're aligning it here and on the side edges here. So it should follow the design here, should be good. Grab your tack solution, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position, and with your squeegee, start tagging it down to secure it. And with this one, you're only going to do a light stretch in order to reach it to this edge here. So just stretch it up to there and tack it down. So make sure you stretch it to reach the bottom. And make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film, because after we finish tagging it down, we're going to seal this edge here in order to apply the next tint. So clean the film to double check and see if there's any bubbles underneath. If there isn't, seal the edges and we move on to the next piece. So to seal the edges, apply tack solution, grab your heat gun and apply heat on the edge. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use your microfiber towel to help tack down and remove any solution that's on the edges. And might as well seal the edges on this end. Double check and see if it's not lifting, run your finger. And if the film is not lifting, then we can move on to the next piece. So for the side piece, just apply Slip Solution on the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all you need to do is align this section of the tint first to the tail light. Align it to the edge, make sure you align on top, and everything else should just fall into place. All you need to do is tack it down here. Same steps that we did on this side. Tack it down, do a small stretch to reach it down here. So lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position with one hand, and with your other hand, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it. And just help it tack down like that. If it lifts, that's perfectly fine, because we could apply heat afterwards to help the adhesive activate faster. So secure a good amount, that way the rest we could stretch and align it here. Okay, once this is secured, stretch the film going down, hold it in position, apply tack solution, and then apply tack solution in the middle so we can start securing it. And just make sure you remove any solution that's underneath the film. And then once you're done securing the film, apply tack solution on the edge here and heat, and use your microfiber towel to seal it, and then we're done and we move on to post heating the entire taillight. And then we move on to post heating. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to post heat the entire tail light. So all you need to do is apply tack solution all over the tail light. You grab your heat gun, apply heat all over the film, especially on the area where we overlap this section of the tint to the front piece. And then once you're done post heating the entire panel, you're done with the installation. So make sure to take your time to tack down and post heat everything. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support. from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2020 Honda Ridgeline. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.